Namaskar, warm welcome you all on this live interactive session present by CIET NCRE, and this is a session of teaching learning intervention for inclusive classroom. स्वागत है आप सभी का आज की समावेशी कक्षा के सत्र में। आइए इस सत्र के ज़रिए अपनी सोच के दायरे को और विस्तृत करते हैं। मैं सृजन राजपूत हूँ, आप देख रहे हैं हमें ई विद्या चैनल नंबर 5 पर और साथ ही हमारे ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल्स पर। ये हैं NCERT ऑफिशियल एंड NCERT PMA विद्या क्लास 5 यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे साथ स्क्रीन पर आप देख रहे हैं साइन लैंग्वेज इंटरप्रेटर आप ज्योति हैं। ज्योति, वेलकम यू इन सेशन. In this session, we are going to learn subject EVS and topic is experiments with water. So, if you have any queries and doubt regarding this topic, please let us know through the various mediums. Like you can make a call to us and the number is on your screen. That's 8800440559. Or you can drop your queries and comment in live chat box option of our official YouTube channels. Either you can write a mail to us on the link that is mail ID, and the mail ID is on your screen. It's dth.class5@ciet.nic.in. चलिए पानी के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं, अपने टॉपिक को जानते हैं। एंड फॉर दैट लेट अस वेलकम मैम मिस प्रियंका, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश एंड फ्रॉम सत्यवती कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। मैम नमस्कार, वार्म वेलकम।
नमस्कार मैम, थैंक यू।
सो डियर लर्नर्स, हम आइए इस सब्जेक्ट को जानते हैं। तो जब भी हम वाटर की बात करते हैं, पानी की बात करते हैं, तो हम देखते हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें तो पानी पर तैरती हैं और कुछ चीज़ें डूब जाती हैं। वहीं कुछ चीज़ें डिज़ोल्व हो जाती हैं और कुछ चीज़ें हमें दिखती हैं कि वो अभी डिज़ोल्व नहीं हुई हैं। सो ये सब कैसे होता है, ये क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं? आइए इन प्रश्नों को लेकर चलते हैं अपने एक्सपर्ट के पास। तो मैम, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ दैट व्हाट आर द फ्लोटिंग एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सिंक्स एंड डिज़ोल्विंग?
Hello everyone, ma'am. Dhanyavad for this session. And floating and sinking, these are two concepts which are very much related with water. And water, it's universal solvent. When we say water, water is like a thing which is having properties to dissolve many substances in it, or dissolve, sink, and float. All the three things are very much different from each other. Suppose when I say universal solvent, I say it's having properties of dissolving. But again, then not everything that is there in our universe dissolved in water. There are few things which are half dissolved and half, left apart. And there are few things which are sank. Go deeper into the layer of water, and then there are few things which stays on the surface of water. So the things that stays on surface of water, like lighter material like sponge, leaf, these are the floating things. And sinking is like the thing which are having higher weight than water and goes deeper into the layer of water. Suppose this needle with me, and if I put this needle in water, it goes in the bottom. As we can see here, it's in bottom. And if I dip this sponge, we can clearly see it's very much on the surface, and if I try to dip it down, it will come back again on the surface. But this needle is still, ma'am, there on the
Right.
bottom. You can just try yourself that you can just put one coin.
Okay.
Coin is heavy material.
So let's do it.
Yeah. And now leaf. So what you have seen, two things that are on the bottom and two things are on the surface. So this is called floating and sinking.
Let's clearly visible through
Yeah.
the top cam.
Yeah. So here we can clearly see from the camera that two things are on the surface and two things are very much in the bottom of the bowl. And this bowl is, you can see that it's having water in it, and bowl is also called as katori. As we can see, you can just touch here and you can see that what is the name of this object. So this is our katori. Now, let me tell you what we'll learn in this chapter. This chapter promotes scientific inquiry of the things present in our environment, and students will do daily life experiment based with water and other things that interact with water, and understanding the properties of water such as ability to dissolve substances and performing hand-on activity on various activities with water like lighter material, denser material, material which are liquid, material which are having particles. And at last we will be doing encouraging student to think critically, make observation and draw conclusion based on the results of experiment. And moving further to chapter, ma'am, as you asked what is floating. So let me explain floating in some like more extra scientific temperament. Let's see, we have oil, right? Oil we all know, we have seen oil in kitchen. So, and this is one glass. I am giving you oil. Just
Okay.
put some oil in it. Some few drops of oil, and I'll be dissolving some milk. I'm having milk also.
So,
Let's dissolve milk. Okay, some drop of milk. Now, let us see. So, the droplets of oil floats, but milk is not there, which is not visible neither on surface nor in bottom.
So that's
this is the
dissolved.
magic, and we will see this magic later after crossing the floating. So,
Okay.
ma'am, you have seen that this water droplets are floating over here, and this is where kids will learn what is floating. Floating is just like you are on the surface, not going down and not too much above the water. You are in between the surface and the bottom, right? And let's move to sink. Now, sinking is very easy, ma'am. Here you can see that we have one more bowl. We have few material. You just touch it and you see the weight,
yes.
it's stone. Now you
Okay.
just dip this stone in this, and you will have one sound, right?
Yeah.
So with heavier material, you will sometimes listen sound also like this. If I dip this, sound is there. Okay, and if I dip the coin, sound is there. So with sinking, sometimes sound is there, sometimes sound is not there, but sinking happens when we put some heavier material, heavier than water, in bowl or in water. Now, ma'am, have you seen any magic with water? Like, have you seen any magic trick with water?
येस मैनी हम देखते हैं कि पानी के साथ बहुत तरह के जादू किए जा सकते हैं, मैजिक किया जा सकता है, तो बच्चे भी जानते होंगे. क्या आपने बबल स्प्रेडर देखा है बच्चों? तो मुझे लगता है ये भी एक मैजिक है, काइंड ऑफ.
Yes, ma'am. And when we put soap in water, it dissolves, and when it dissolves, if we blow
Blow
it,
the air,
bubbles
yes.
are there. And here one more magic is there. Over there, if you just take one lemon and you dip in water, it goes down, right?
Yes.
But let me tell you, with the help of salt, you can just keep pouring salt in this, and you will see the magic that this lemon will come up.
So I put it directly.
Yeah, but you have to dissolve it. And dissolving, again I said dissolve. Dissolving is a process where you mix something in water very consistently. Either you have to stir it or you have to just keep it on flame. Now can you see that
Yes,
this
that's a
lemon,
magic.
now we can see the lemon which was in the bottom earlier, now it's somewhere like floating on water. So this is the magic. And ma'am, how this magic happens, now I'll tell you. There is a girl in this chapter, Aisha. Father told her to boil some egg. Why? Because mother is ill, and Aisha went there. She just first saw that eggs are in bottom. Then father said put some salt in it. But Aisha, as a kid, she don't know how much salt to put in that water. She just put some extra salt, and she just observed that eggs are somehow floating in that water. And there she observed that if you put salt in water, you can see that things are floating. And ma'am, we all have seen Dead Sea, right? Dead Sea. And why we call it Dead Sea? Because it's having salt more than the capacity of dissolving, and dissolving is a process where things have ma'am, equal portion. Like if you have seen chasni, shakkarpara, gulab jamun, we see a consistency of sugar and water over there.
Right.
But in Dead Sea, what is there, that in 1 liter of water 300 grams of salt is there. So if we put 300 gram of salt somewhere, like we have this salt, and if we put this salt in water, it's 250 gram salt, and we are having 200 gram of water, ml of water. If you put like 100 gram of salt in it, okay, and you just let it dissolve, and you try to just taste it, and you will find a very bitter taste.
So, may I?
Yeah. Not drinkable, right?
Yes.
So this is the consistency of water in Dead Sea. And over there what happens now, that is magic. You will see things floating. In fact, if you don't know swimming, no, you will float there. So objects become lighter and water become denser there. Why? Because of salt. Earlier water is plain, but when we mix salt with it, the density of water increases, right? And water becomes heavy. So heavier things goes in bottom and lighter things comes on surface. So in Dead Sea, what happens if you don't even know swimming, you just go lie down there and you will float.
Right.
You will float like a sponge is floating here on water. And ma'am, there is one thing. Have you seen puri?
Yes,
Puri
many
at home?
times.
Okay, so I have puris in lunch. We can have it later. You see how puri look like.
Wow, that's too round.
Yeah,
Yes.
and you know how we make puri? We take hot oil, right? And with hot oil, we just dip the flattened, dough. And the flattened dough first goes in bottom, and then with time, like in 1 minute, within 1 minute it comes up according to the flame. And when it comes up now, it look like this, the puri. We can see puri here, right? It's all round. And sometimes what happens, no, there are few dough which don't even have that layer of, and they become just flatten only.
Right.
So, you have to do a lot of hard work if you want a good puri. And if your puri is not good, still you can eat it. But yeah, let me tell you what happens when you put this dough in water, right? A flattened dough I am having, ma'am. Let's clear it and let's see the magic. In oil, the dough just floats, no, after 1 minute. But here, let's see whether it floats in water also. Let me show you. Yeah. Here we have this katori full of water, and let me put this dough there. Oh, it goes in bottom. So now it sank. But now let me put this पूरी जो कि एकदम फूली हुई है. इसमें देखिए फूली हुई पूरी अभी भी सरफेस पे है पानी में. और जो मतलब हैवी हमारा डो है विच इज फ्लैटन टू मेक पूरी इज इन bottom.
Right.
So here we can see the lighter things stays on surface and the denser things in bottom. And again, if I go back to the puri thing, we can just see that, ma'am, like floating is a process where the displacement of water. जैसे कि आप कोई भी चीज़ जब पानी में डालते हैं तो जितना amount of पानी दूर हटेगा, अगर उसका वजन उस वस्तु से अधिक है तो जो पानी है वो ऊपर आ जाएगा, पर अगर उसका वजन उस वस्तु से कम है तो पानी नीचे रहेगा और वस्तु ऊपर रहेगी. इसी तरह मैम एक और मैजिक की बात मैं आपको बताती हूँ. आज सुबह सुबह जब मैं चाय पी रही थी, तो जब आप चाय पीते हैं उससे पहले आपको चाय बनानी है at home, right?
Right.
So what I saw, I got busy in some household work, and then the water evaporated. Now you must be asking me that what is evaporation. Evaporation is a process where water's liquid state is changed in vapor or gas. The change of state of water. see, if we have this liquid water and we put some flame to it, and the flame should be like, if it's just heating, then
And continuously heat, right.
and if you heat it continuously with a higher flame, then it goes into vapor state or gas state. So now let me tell you what happened. I just saw the water, you know, going into gaseous state, and there's nothing left in my tea other than tea leaves.
Yes.
So here we have seen one thing, that tea leaves don't dissolve with water, first thing, and the second thing is water changes its state. Okay, and that change of state of vapor is called vaporization and evaporation, and the process is called vaporization.
Clear.
And now what happens when evaporation happens? No, the water goes up, and when water goes up, it mixes with the air and it vanish. And my tea vanished like that. And also in chapter, what happens, Aisha saw her mother making tea, and she got surprised like our little kids, and then she asked that why it happens. Then she took it as if it's a magic. And you tell me, is it a magic or some scientific thing is there?
I think scientific thing is there.
Yeah,
not a
so it's a
magic.
magic of science,
Yes.
that if you put temperature to water and it's continuously heating, then it will go away from you and it will go in air. And now ma'am, let me move to one more thing that happens with water. You know, water in fact races with other substances. Like, let me take one bowl here, and let me do one thing, that let me put few drops of oil here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me take a foil. It's easy here. Let's take some water droplets and oil droplets. Oil droplets, yeah, and some more water droplets. And ma'am, let's do it this way. So, have you seen the water comes faster and
Then
the oil
oil,
is
yes.
still on the way. So, here, you know, the racing drop of water comes faster. Why? Because it's not heavy than oil.
Right.
Oil is heavier than water, and if something that is heavier will travel late, and something which is lighter will come early. Like we have seen here, the racing is won by water droplets, and here we can see that liquid travel faster, a pure liquid travel more faster than other liquid, and water with impurities or solution will travel slowly. If you put ma'am water with you know chalk or duster or soil solution, then it will travel slowly. And आपने जो शक्कर पारा खाया है कभी,
जी।
जो बहुत मीठा और बहुत टेस्टी होता है, उसकी जो चाशनी है वो बनती है, if you put you know 500 ml water and 200 grams of sugar and consistently you stir, and you will see the solution is चाशनी, और उसमें जब आप शक्कर पारे को डुबाते हैं तो वो बहुत टेस्टी सा
Right.
शक्कर पारा बनता है. बट वो जो चाशनी है उसकी डेंसिटी है अब वो वाटर से ज़्यादा है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें शुगर ऐड करके हमने उसे हैवी कर दिया है. एंड इफ़ यू पुट दैट चाशनी along with water and you know just slide the lid, and then you will see that chashni travels like slow than water, and water is fast again.
Right.
Because of it's made of water only. Oil is not made of water, chashni is made of water, but still it travels slow than water. Why? Because of the weight.
सो डियर लर्नर्स, टीचिंग लर्निंग इंटरवेंशन फॉर इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम, ये समावेशी कक्षा का सत्र है. हम पढ़ रहे हैं टॉपिक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद वाटर. हम इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम में बच्चों को ये सभी क्रियाएं कर दिखा सकते हैं कि कौन कौन सी चीज़ें पानी में मिल जाती हैं, कौन सी तैरती हैं और कौन सी नीचे बैठ जाती हैं. ये सभी हमने करने का इस सत्र में प्रयास किया है. सो अपने चैप्टर को हम समावेशी कक्षा के इस सत्र को अंत की तरफ लेकर चलते हैं. जानते हैं सम न्यू कीवर्ड्स दैट यू लर्न इन दिस सेशन. सो कीवर्ड इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. दे आर
Floating, sink, dissolve.
सो लेट्स टेक योर होमवर्क.
Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? And modified question for homework is, make list of things that dissolve in water, and the things are milk, sugar, salt, chalk powder and oil.
जी, so note down please work summation format. So that's on your screen. Give your name, class, school name and address, export teacher name, and then date of session with your photographs. That's optional. Then send it to dth.class5@ciet.nic.in. सो मैम हम अपने बच्चों को कुछ लर्निंग टिप्स देते हैं क्योंकि हमने इतना इंटरेस्टिंग सा चैप्टर पढ़ा है. आप हमारे बच्चों को क्या लर्निंग टिप देंगी जो कि वो घर पर भी कर सकते हैं?
पानी के साथ आप हमेशा ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं, गर्म पानी से, ठंडे पानी से. देर आर थिंग्स दैट एक्ट डिफरेंटली विथ हॉट वाटर, डिफरेंटली विथ कोल्ड वाटर, एंड यू नो यू कैन टेक आइस ऑल्सो फॉर सच एक्सपेरिमेंट, एंड यू विल सी आइस फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर. You know, today we are not using ice because it's cold and winter, and if you touch ice then you feel cold.
Right.
So not in this season, but in summers or during rainy season, you can try that experiment. And also you can see that how water is useful and how we can save water. Because we can see the experiments with water, but water is very much necessary for our life, right? So by doing experiment, don't waste water. You just take only little water for experiment. Do not take a large bowl of water or a bucket full of water or liter of waters. And one more thing, whatever things you are taking, just make sure that that is not harmful. Not too much chemicals. You take things from your environment only. Do not try to mix hazardous things with water,
right? Because
if you put petrol with water and you put fire over there, then there may be some calamity. So to avoid calamity, use the things that are very safe to use.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for this session, ma'am. We are with ma'am Miss Priyanka, Assistant Professor of Subject English, Satyavati College, Delhi University. Ma'am, thank you so much for session.
Thank you, ma'am.
सो डियर लर्नर्स, हमारे साथ आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं साइन लैंग्वेज इंटरप्रेटर ज्योति को. ज्योति, आपका भी आज के सत्र के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. यहाँ पर बताना चाहेंगे आपको अपने ई कंटेंट कंपटीशन के बारे में, एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी टू अनाउंस दिस एज द ऑल इंडिया चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशनल ई कंटेंट कंपटीशन इज़ बैक फॉर द ईयर 2024 and 25. We invite teachers, educators, students and independent educational e-content creators to submit their best e-content for the competition. For further details and the registration form, please visit the activities section of our official website at www.ciet.ncert.gov.in or scan the QR code on the screen. The final date of submission is January 15, 2025. हमारे आज के दिन में अन्य प्रसारित होने वाले सत्रों के बारे में भी आपको बताना चाहेंगे. हम 2 बजे आपके लिए लाइव सत्र लेकर आएंगे. ये कक्षा 1 के बच्चों के लिए मैथमेटिक्स का सत्र होगा. टॉपिक रहेगा नंबर 21 to 99 पार्ट 2. 2:30 पर समय रहेगा कक्षा 1 के बच्चों के लिए हिंदी सत्र का. विषय 3 साथी. 3 बजे का समय होगा कक्षा 2 के बच्चों के लिए इंग्लिश का अ शो ऑफ क्लाउड्स टॉपिक रहेगा. 3:30 पर कक्षा 2 के बच्चों के लिए मैथमेटिक्स के सत्र में बात होगी ग्रुपिंग एंड शेयरिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन पार्ट 2 पर. 4 बजे आज हिंदी संस्करण रहेगा हमारे ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण सत्र का. विषय साइबर हाइजीन पर एक संपूर्ण मार्गदर्शिका. 5 बजे आज सहयोग सत्र में बात होगी क्रिएटिंग अ सेफ एंड इंक्लूसिव स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. हमने आज के समावेशी कक्षा के सत्र में बहुत कुछ नया सीखा. तो बच्चों, आप जब भी इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को घर पर दोहराएं तो नोट कीजिए, या तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स की गाइडलाइंस में उनके सामने इन्हें करेंगे और कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं प्रयोग करेंगे जो कि हार्मफुल हो. आज इस समावेशी कक्षा के सत्र से मैं सृजन अपनी पूरी टीम के साथ चाहूँगी अनुमति. नमस्कार.